Hello and welcome to Gadget Mad. I recently bought the Focusrite Scarlett 2x2 Studio. In this week's video, I'll be unboxing all the components and I'll be reviewing each one separately in my next few videos. Let's get inside the box and see what it comes with. Let's start with the HP60 Mark II Studio headphones. Now these are some large headphones. It seems the headphones are mostly made out of plastic, so I wonder if they'll be the first thing to break. Next in the box is the CM25 Mark II condenser microphone. Already I can tell that the build quality is a big step up from the headphones. The microphones have a very solid build quality and it seems to be made out of metal. Now let's bring out the interface. This beautiful red box has all the controls as well as a 2-combo XLR/line in ports, which means that you can connect a microphone and a guitar, for example. On the back there are ports for speakers and a USB port to power the unit. Lastly in the box there is an XLR cable to connect the microphone to the interface and a USB cable to power the unit. There is also an adapter for the microphone. The Scarlett Studio comes with a bunch of software, including Ableton Live Lite, Pro Tools Creative Pack, and Addictive Keys, as well as Softube and many others. If you want to find out more about the Focusrite Scarlett 2x2 Studio, then keep an eye on my channel. I'll be posting in-depth reviews on each of the different components. Thank you for watching this unboxing. If you enjoyed this week's video, then please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one.